Hey there, this video is going to show you how you can set up your automated messenger on your Facebook page. So what you're going to do is you're going to come to your Facebook page, and let's just back up here 1 second. So we're on our Facebook page. You're just going to click on Messenger Tools here on the left hand side. It'll open up your Messenger Tools here. So what you want to do is you want to set up your conversation starters. So just click this Setup Now, and this is going to open up a new page, and it's going to prompt you with all of the different options to set your messenger up. So this is going to come into your inbox. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to turn on your instant reply. You want this automation to be used in Messenger. You can also turn it on in Instagram as well. So you can choose, this is going to go on when you receive a message on your selected platform. So I would highly suggest that you turn this on in Instagram as well. So whenever people message you, they automatically get a reply. So you can customize it as well. So this is the message that you'll get. It's kind of like an away message essentially. So you can customize that. You can click here to add in the first name of the recipient, the Facebook page link for them to go to more information. You can add in a specific website, phone number, email address, all of that kind of stuff. So really, really handy tool to use there. That's their instant reply, just so it gives people an idea of when they can expect a response from you. When you're away, so like outside of your business hours, things like that, this is the message that people will get when it's out of your business hours. So you can say here like, thanks for your message. We will reach out to you during business hours. These are them. If you're a new student, go here, so on and so forth. So you can give them different options. Really ideal for both of these messages. Instant replies are to kind of like answer your FAQs. So things like if you're a new student and you're interested in joining our studio, go here and then put in your website address. If you are just looking for our class schedule, go here. If you're curious about what classes we offer, so on and so forth. So those kind of FAQs are really helpful here. Be mindful you only have a 500 character limit, so it does have to be a little bit short and sweet. Identifying unanswered messages. So this can be really powerful. So identifying, if you turn this on, you can choose which ones this happens with as well. So this is just remember to respond to messages by identifying which customers are waiting for a reply. So whenever people haven't been responded to for a certain amount of time, you can set up specific options. So you either can add a label, you can mark it as unread, or you can mark it as a follow-up. So that can be really helpful if you have multiple people in your social media accounts and someone sees the message but they don't reply. It's really difficult to know just at a glance that this one is unread. So that's a really handy thing that you can add. You can also add your frequently asked questions, which can be really powerful as well. I highly suggest turning these on for Messenger because when your Messenger pops up, it will automatically show the different questions. So for example, question number 1, how can we work together? And then you can reply with your message when they click this option. So for example, it will pop up here like, how can we work with you? Or what's your class schedule? I'm a new student. How do I get started? Those would be the questions that you would ask. Again, those frequently asked questions. And then your message, you can personalize your message. You can add in a website address. You can add in whatever you want, or like, where are you located? You can automatically just pop in your address there, and all of that stuff. You can even add in a button to like go to your actual new student page, which I would highly suggest, because when you click this website, this just goes to like your website. You can't specify it, but if you have your button label, book a discovery call, and then you have social. So you can do that. So you just customize it as much as you want. I like to put the first name of them just so that they feel connected. So all of that fun stuff, you can put whatever you want in here and all of that. Okay, so once you have add to menu. Okay, so when you do that, then now see it pops up here, right? So people will see it automatically, and as long as you toggle on that add to menu, people can choose from that. Okay, so that's a really powerful thing. And then comment to message. Make sure that you save, which there's no option here for me to save, which is very strange. That's not very helpful. I'll just click save when it prompts you to save. So comment to message. So this is reply privately on Messenger to people who comment on your post. So you can customize a response for comments that contain specific keywords or phrases. So this can be really powerful. If people comment on your post, you can reply as via Messenger to that person. So if you turn this on, your keyword would be like schedule, right? Like, or new student, or I'm new. And then you can automatically reply, be like, hey, I saw you commented on our post asking about the schedule. Here's the link to our schedule, things like that. So that's a really powerful thing that you can add to your Messenger contact information. So again, it tells you everything that this is for. So respond to a message asking for contact information. You can customize your message to include additional contact information such as WhatsApp number or an Instagram link. This is only available on Messenger. So whenever I receive a message asking for contact information, this is going to be the automated message that they'll get. And then your location, of course, whenever people are asking about your location, you can also do this. So get directions, and then this can link to your website location, or I would suggest going to your Google My Business. Your Maps location would be a really powerful thing to share here. Your hours, so whenever people are asking about your hours of operation, you can include that here. Jobs, if you are posting jobs, you can do an automated response for those jobs. And then create your own. You can customize specific keywords. You can send automated responses when messages contain specific keywords, which is really, really cool. This is a new feature that they've come out with, and it's really awesome. So this can be really powerful. So again, those keywords, like whenever people are saying they're new or whatever, you can definitely create automated responses for that. And then positive feedback. So whenever somebody posts a review or something like that. So this is really powerful to have an automated response whenever somebody has a positive response or a positive recommendation, things like that. You can automate that as well, which is really cool. Negative feedback, same thing. Whenever they have a negative experience. Appointment reminders. So if you book appointments, it's not really typical for yoga studios to have appointments in Facebook made, but if this is something that you have set up, this is where you could set up automatic appointment reminders. And then page recommended. So whenever people recommend your page, this is like the number one thing that's super powerful. Again, with those positive feedback situations, you want to thank them right away. Of course, you want to go in and actually comment on the recommendation and the post that they had done, saying like thank you and all of that stuff. And then of course, whenever people don't recommend you, you want to send them an automated response, and then like I would suggest putting in your phone number here for them to call you so that you can connect with them and like find out more of like why they had a negative experience and see if there's anything you can do to make it better. So anyways, that is how you set up your automated inbox. It's a really powerful tool to use and utilize in Facebook, and there's some really cool new features in here lately that you can connect it with your Instagram inbox as well. So if you have any questions at all, please let me know. Again, you can book a discovery call with me if you have any quick questions about social media. You can catch me in the Yogapreneur Collective. I'm an official YC expert in there. And otherwise, let's get social. Thanks for watching.